turkeys are large, domesticated birds native to North America. They are known for their distinctive feathers, waddling walk, and their starring role on Thanksgiving tables around the world. Feathers. Turkeys have a beautiful array of feathers. Males, called toms, have larger feathers and a fan-like tail called a saddle. Females, called hens, have fewer and smaller feathers. Both males and females have iridescent feathers that shimmer in the light. Walk. Turkeys have a unique way of walking. They waddle due to their large breast muscles and short legs. This waddle is a result of selective breeding over thousands of years to promote large body size for meat production. Eggs. Turkeys lay eggs, usually around 8 to 12 per clutch. The eggs are white, sometimes with light brown spots. Incubation takes around 28 days. When hatched, the chicks are covered in down feathers and are able to leave the nest within a few hours. Diet. Turkeys are omnivores, eating a variety of foods. Their diet includes plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. In the wild, they forage on the ground for food. In farming, they are usually fed a balanced diet of grains. Communication. Turkeys communicate using a series of calls and sounds. The most famous is the gobble, which is actually a series of yelps. Turkeys use these calls to communicate with each other, express dominance, and attract mates. Domestication. Turkeys were domesticated over 2,000 years ago by the indigenous peoples of Mexico. They were later introduced to Europe by Spanish explorers. Today, they are raised for their meat and eggs worldwide. Thanksgiving. Turkeys have become synonymous with Thanksgiving, a holiday celebrated in many countries, particularly in the United States. The tradition of eating turkey on Thanksgiving dates back to the early settlers in America who shared a meal of turkey with Native Americans. Turkeys are fascinating creatures, with a rich history and unique characteristics. From their feathers to their role in festive holidays, there's much to admire about these large, waddling birds.